ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
President Jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Ubadairu UMP Lok Sabha Jongka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Uba Vincent H. Pala Ulaong Bahakapor Jongka Congress Kikam Bamsap Kim Shimla Pau Satya Henry Hagniga Sorkar Kabamenta Kikam Bamsap Kila Pau Tinkreng Wat Hasurak Ru Uba pala ulaong bakajing penyang yaki kerdap hasurak ba hakeleng ki district jong ke jela kilongkum ke ATM machine jong ke seng NPP but UDP ulaong ru baki pajba kila yo tingkren yakane but kin ai ka jubab ka babyang ha usnam arhajar arpulai.
Congress was in power, Congress is in position. The people will definitely compare what was the Congress. You see, example like law and order. In the Congress we were doing well, law and order, everything were under control. But today the lawlessness is happening everywhere. And it's in terms of corruption. People said, these people used to say that Congress was corrupt. But for the last 3.5, almost 4 years, not a single scandal was there when the Congress was in power. But today you see, be in the roadside, be in the office, be in all those COVID camp used to check the people now become ATM of the UDP and NPP. If you go from here to from Shillong to Jawai, you see lots of small gate, police check gate, forest check gate, all those are ATMs for them to spend during the election. So these are the small example where you see that the difference between the Congress time and this time. And in terms of farmers, you know, how the farmers are facing during the COVID time, and now we are taking those issues. But Changplyang is taking very strongly those issues in the farmers. So we have divided our works under different leaders. So there's a lots of difference between the Congress rule time and the present government. And I went to so many places. People said they have been fed up with the present government. We are with the Congress, but the Congress have to only give us good leaders, have to reach to us. Definitely, we don't need money. We don't need any favor, but we want to see that we can win the elections. With that, I mean, we quite be inspired by the public whenever we have a public meeting. That's why I said we are confident that we'll win the election.